Sir Frank Whittle, an English aviation engineer and pilot, invented the jet engine in the 1970s. He probably didn't fathom the extent to which his invention would go several decades later. And now, we're talking about submarine jets taking huge strides underneath the Pacific. In this video, we bring to the fore what lies behind the scenes of 9 terrific inventions you've ever seen, from concept to reality. One, Jet Shark. With the Sea Breacher, Dan Piazza and Rob Innes of New Zealand have already built one wild aquatic boat. Innes, not one to be outdone, even by himself, has unveiled the Jet Shark based on a comparable idea that is undergoing testing. For its aquadynamic characteristics, the Jet Shark turns toward the shark. However, in Innes and Dan Piazza's vision, the design team behind the vehicle, sharks are submersibles that quickly fly underwater before they leap and momentarily soar, bouncing back onto the water again. Sharks are commonly thought of as underwater giant fish to avoid. Jet Shark, which is well named, is a shark-shaped submersible, and the updated Sea Breacher is a 2-seater personal watercraft that can take the shape of a shark, killer whale, or even a dolphin. Short dives down to 6 feet underwater can be completed with the doors left open or locked. Performance is key as a Kodiak Marine V8 propels the Jet Shark, which can tilt to extreme angles and reach top speeds of 43 knots, or about 50 miles per hour, and 17 knots while submerged in the water. 2. Apptronik Astra. A realistic, all-purpose humanoid robot has been the goal of Apptronik, a Texas-based robotics business with roots in the human-centered robotics lab at the University of Texas at Austin. They have a focus on robotic systems that are human-centered. These are robotic systems that work closely with people. This implies that they are nearly human-level capable. Compared to earlier systems, these robots are more capable, safer, and agile. The opportunity to work on the most cutting-edge human-centered systems in the world has been a huge blessing for our team. Astra is an upper-body humanoid robot made by Apptronik. Apptronik is aiming to be able to provide something that is reasonable, dependable, and widely applicable. The most effective robots right now, however, are not universal systems. Rather, they are single taskers, or robots that can perform one particular task exceptionally well, but almost no other. A general-purpose robot would be very powerful, especially if it had a human form factor. 3. AeroMINE. A game-changing technology for rooftop renewable electricity is AeroMINE. AeroMINE is a cost-effective and space-efficient renewable on-site energy solution that is sleek, silent, and easy to install. It is designed to seamlessly integrate with existing solar solutions. Up to 16 solar panels can be replaced by a single AeroMINE unit to produce the same amount of energy. Up to 50% more power can be produced by AeroMINE's patented, unique technology than by other sustainable energy sources for the same or less money. An area of low pressure forms between the wings as air passes them, and this low pressure creates a suction that is fed through pipes to pull air past a small turbine at the base of the unit. This tower is aerodynamically shaped and is placed between the airfoils. This turbine produces electricity as it rotates. The innovation represents a significant step up over earlier dispersed wind turbines, which are inadequate for the majority of rooftop installations. The high-performance system from AeroMINE can supply all of a building's on-site energy requirements when paired with current solar energy sources. 4. Unicat. Even the initial Unicat bodies, according to rumors, were constructed entirely from sandwich panels with top layers made of glass fiber reinforced polyester (GFRP). The delivery program at Unicat has for many years included side extensions, swing-outs, flip-outs, folding roofs, and lifting roofs in addition to the production of simple bodies in standard and customer-specific designs. The sandwich panels are put together at Unicat without the use of wooden inserts, which would be obvious when cold bridges were being used. This has a substantial impact on the installation effort but benefits daily use. Corrosion issues and thermal strains were structurally avoided by using external and internal bonded angle profiles made of the same material to join the panels. Many of the very first bodies are still in operation today, and many have seen the whole world. Unicat doors and windows have reinforced corners, theft-proof mounted special hinges, double seals, insulating hard glazing, and multi-point locks. 5. Carbon Robotics Laserweeder. By addressing one of farming's largest issues, weed control, Carbon Robotics STEM is leading the way in the upcoming agricultural revolution. The Laserweeder TM implement is equipped with cutting-edge computer vision and artificial intelligence technologies from Carbon Robotics. Using thermal energy, this method enables the robot to quickly recognize, target, and remove weeds. The Laserweeder can function with millimeter-level accuracy day or night in almost any weather thanks to Carbon Robotics' proprietary illumination system. The robots use high-power lasers instead of other weeding technologies to burn away weeds without harming the soil. Vegetable crops that are intentionally overspread and subsequently thinned for best crop spacing, growth, and production are the focus of laser thinning. This is particularly valuable for farmers growing any direct-seeded leafy green and collared crops, such as lettuce and broccoli. By using lasers for thinning, the new solution does not require the use of any chemicals or manual hand labor, is unaffected by wind or moisture, and can be performed during the day or night. The pricing starts at $79. 6. Omni-directional skateboard wheels. It shouldn't be difficult to mount Omni wheels. Because of their distinctive design, they are simple to mount. The housing frame is absent from Omni wheels. Casters are naturally made out of one or more wheels inside of a housing frame, which makes mounting them more challenging. Simply put, Omni wheels are wheels with rollers attached. They are simple to mount on machinery or equipment. Omni wheels provide stability for loads. They have a static load center in relation to their base by design. Different wheel types might or might not provide this level of load stability. For instance, swivel mount wheels frequently don't provide load stability. Consider using Omni wheels for a steady load with equally distributed weight. Another advantage of Omni wheels is its customization. The wheels support custom shapes and sizes. They are typically made through a process of molding because polymer is used in constructing them, which can be twigged to different custom sizes and shapes. These are just a few pros of going with Omni wheels. 7. Solar freezer. For solar-powered refrigerators, the key may lie in the amount of insulation that's used. They depend on heavy insulation around the lining to help keep the contents safe from external heat. This allows you to keep food cold for hours upon hours. Also, the thermal energy produced by the change from gas to liquid refrigerant helps keep the refrigerator cold even when no sun is available. In the past, solar refrigeration relied on the sun and PV cells to charge lithium-ion batteries, but that is no longer the case. The quantity of insulation utilized could be the key to the success of a solar refrigerator. To protect the contents from outside heat, they rely on thick insulation around the liner. You can do this to keep food cold for a very long time. Also, the thermal energy generated by the conversion of refrigerant from gas to liquid keeps the refrigerator cool even when there is no sunlight. The sun and PV cells were once required for solar refrigeration to charge lithium-ion batteries, but that is no longer the case. 8. Respiray Wear A+. Respiray Wear A+ made its debut to the American public at the Consumer Electronics Show (CES) earlier this month and immediately gained attention for its distinctive style and effective method of allergy treatment. Allergy sufferers find relief from this simple device. The device's basic operation is to filter out airborne allergy particles and then blow allergen-free air directly into the user's face. The European Center for Allergy Research Foundation, ECARF, and the world's top testing and certification organization, SGS in Michigan, have established the efficacy of this groundbreaking product. The SGS test revealed that 99.9% of airborne allergen particles are blocked by the device. The ECARF clinical trials demonstrated how wearing the Respiray Wear A+ during the pollen season can be recommended as an effective non-drug alternative for those allergic to pollen and costs about $74. 9. The Vuzix M400-C. Physical borders lose importance to their virtual equivalents as the globe becomes more globalized. No matter where a product is created and produced, it can be obtained by customers all over the world within a few days. For business customers searching for a Windows-based computer or in addition to an existing smartphone, the M400-C is the perfect answer. It focuses on the same general use cases as our M400, but only requires a simple plug-in to function as a very capable tethered USB-C peripheral, according to Paul Travers, President and Chief Executive Officer of Vuzix. Those who want to use a wearable device for hands-free access to their smartphone or Windows apps will find this option to be suitable. We anticipate that the M400-C will be a profitable addition to the M-series line of products from Vuzix Europe. Vuzix, a global leader in the rapidly growing smart glasses market, is aware that customers will have higher expectations for products in the future. The business is currently preparing to weather the approaching storm in the United States. Most of these inventions seem rather too crazy for reality, but once they can be imagined, they can be achieved. What do you make of these mind-boggling technologies? We'd like to have your thoughts in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and switch the notification bell on. Thanks for watching.